If you also have old photos like this, torn, cracked, or damaged by time, then you will want to see this. I didn't touch it by hand. The choice stood exactly the same. I use AI tools to restore it. And in this video, I will show you step by step how you can do the same with your old photos. Stick to the video till the end and see the magic. Also, don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell icon in order to not miss the future updates and videos. So first of all, I want to show you the picture I want to repair. These two brothers' picture. Let's repair this. First of all, go to CapCut. Here, select Auto Enhance. Select the picture and click on Auto Enhance. The AI will automatically enhance the photo. Wait a few moments. Here you go. The picture is enhanced. You can see the differences clearly. After this, export the picture. Now go to ChatGPT. Here select the picture that recently we have enhanced. Here write a specific text. I will give you the text in the description. After that, let the ChatGPT do its work. Here you need to wait a few moments. Be patient. It will gonna take some time. It's almost there. And now the image is created. See the magic? How well ChatGPT enhanced and cleared the picture is completely new. You can't see any teared parts on this picture. For comparing these two pictures, I want to go to InShot. Here I will collage the two photos and you can see how well ChatGPT made this picture clear. It's completely new, you can see. It's the same picture. No changes to the face and the picture. It's the same picture, just new version. Here you can see how well the ChatGPT and CapCut work together. If you have also this kind of old pictures or your family pictures, you can edit this like this and make it new, completely new. It's just a kind of magic. If you like this kind of magic AI tools, just share it with your friends and family members and let them know this too. And use this video. Thank you so much for watching.